The LiberLive C1 stringless smart guitar in black is a revolutionary instrument that fundamentally reimagines how anyone can access and create music. As the first ever stringless guitar, its primary innovation lies in its chord paddle system, which completely eliminates the traditional learning curve associated with fretting and strumming. Each flick of a paddle triggers a full, perfectly voiced chord, allowing a user to focus entirely on singing and performance rather than complex finger positioning. This design is not a gimmick, but a thoughtfully engineered gateway to musical accompaniment, making it possible for someone with zero prior experience to play and sing along to their favorite songs almost instantly. It is a bold step towards democratizing music creation. The C1's intelligence extends beyond its physical form through seamless integration with its dedicated app, which provides interactive chord sheets. These digital sheets sync perfectly with the LED indicators on the guitar's neck, visually guiding the user through chord progressions in real time. This feature is invaluable for beginners learning song structures and for seasoned musicians quickly referencing a tune. Furthermore, the app unlocks a vast sonic palette, offering sound options that range from piano and bass to nearly 100 different rhythmic patterns. The ability to upload and create custom chord sheets also adds a significant layer of personalization, fostering a community where users can share their favorite arrangements. For the aspiring solo performer, the LiberLive C1 truly shines by offering a complete one-person band experience. By activating the built-in drum machine and bass line, the user can lay down a full rhythmic and harmonic foundation with simple controls on the guitar itself. This functionality opens up endless performance possibilities across diverse genres like jazz, pop, and rock, all without needing any additional equipment or other musicians. It empowers a solo artist to create a rich, textured soundscape that is typically only achievable with a full ensemble, making it an exceptional tool for songwriters, buskers, and anyone looking to practice with a complete backing track. Despite its unconventional design, the C1 does not compromise on audio fidelity. It employs advanced micro-DAW sampling synthesis technology to ensure that all real-time key, tempo, and harmony changes occur without any audible distortion or loss of quality. Complementing this is its frequency simulation technology, which is responsible for producing remarkably authentic and powerful acoustic guitar tones that are rich and full-bodied. The sound output is impressive for such a small device, delivering a professional and enjoyable listening experience, whether through headphones, a personal speaker, or a PA system via its 3.5mm line out port. Adding to its considerable appeal is the C1's exceptional portability. Its clever foldable design and lightweight construction, at just 4.1 pounds, make it the ideal travel companion for musicians on the move. It easily fits into a backpack, ready for a spontaneous songwriting session in the park, a beachside campfire, or a live performance. This combination of innovative playability, robust sound quality, and ultra portability positions the LiberLive C1 stringless smart guitar not just as a novelty, but as a serious and versatile instrument for a modern mobile lifestyle. While the LiberLive C1 is an impressive feat of engineering, it is not without its limitations. The most significant compromise is the inherent lack of expressivity found in a traditional stringed instrument. Techniques like string bending, vibrato, and dynamic pick attack are simply not possible, which may feel restrictive to trained guitarists. The tactile experience, while efficient, cannot replicate the physical connection of strings under the fingers. Furthermore, the sound quality, though excellent for its size, may not fully satisfy purists seeking the nuanced resonance of a high-end acoustic guitar in a studio setting, and a degree of authenticity is traded for sheer convenience and accessibility.